Hello guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan. In this video, let us check out the Cubbit sale. Now this is the crowdfunding edition and I have got the 1TB version. Now Cubbit is a secure encrypted cloud storage which is quite different than the normal cloud storage. It's a distributed cloud that is 100% private, green. So you can see how can you connect the Cubbit cloud. Just connect to your router, create an account and you're good to go. So this works on a P2P connection and that's quite nice. That way you get good security and your data is also safe. So here is the Cubbit cell. You can see it looks quite nice, has a nice design. To the rear side, we have the power slot wherein you plug in the power adapter. To the other side, we have the RJ45 port and a USB 3 slot. Then we have a power brick which you connect to your Cubbit cell. We also get an RJ45 cable that you can connect to your router in Cubbit cell. That's quite nice. Other than that, you don't have anything inside the box. I have connected my Cubbit cell to my Wi-Fi router and you can see after powering on we get this light. Now just go to browser, sign off for the Cubbit. Here you can go and do the same. Make sure to read the terms and conditions just in case you want, and then you should set a very strong password as this will be a local password. You also get to use a passphrase just in case you forgot your password and you can use this. I have also uploaded few files to my dashboard. You can see this is how the web dashboard looks. Behind the Cubbit cell, it is known as zero knowledge cloud storage. Here you can see by the diagram, here we have client, which is the user, the swarm and the coordinator. So you can pause the video and read this. So this works on a P2P network, and here is the path of the file. So whenever you upload a file, it goes into client-side encryption. A new AES 256 key is generated and it used to encrypt the file. And then we also have file redundancy, which means that your file is distributed into various chunks and then it is stored in various Cubbit cells, and then which is also secured. And also, if just in case your Cubbit cells goes down or something happens, you can get your data back. So you can just read this by pausing the video. Also, you have something else, authorization and peer selection. Then we have file distribution. So file distribution happens all over the world as it works on P2P connections. And here's something called as network self-healing. And also we have environmental impact. So till now around 19,025 kg of carbon dioxide has been saved. So guys, you have the app for your PC and Mac wherein you have the option to share your files. You can either share a private or public link. Then you can see where is your file being shared to whom. You can add in the email IDs, etc. You can also see which files are getting uploaded, the storage they are getting used, and other options, other data about your file. Just in case you're wondering how Cubbit compares to other storage options available out there, you can just see this video or maybe visit this website to get more information regarding the same.